All right, what's going on, Motley Garage? We're out here with my buddy Nakia. He's got some of his RC cars out. He's got his Mojave out. We're out here just ripping it. Adrian, we got that car fixed. Bring that over. Got the Bang Good Special. It's a copy of the LC 400, copy of the WL Toys 14444. So I put the Drift Cars 10 scale brushless ESC in there. We put the Crawlers radio on there, and it runs good. Thing's pretty fast. Then we got the Creighton over here. What'd you do? Splash in the water? Got the Creighton over here. So yeah, we're just out here. We're gonna mess around, get these cars, make them go fast. And hold on one second. I'm about to rip this boy around. Here, you wanna hold this phone real quick? Grab this boy real quick. Oh no! Dang it! I flipped it over.